Hi Akshay, how have
Hi
you
Anurag.
been? Hi.
Very
It's
well, Anurag. Thank you so
it's
much for
been it's
taking
been
out the
it's
time.
been amazing to see Mangalam Organics coming up with Insta ads and catching you guys on Facebook and LinkedIn now, and finally being with you in candid conversations today. It's been an amazing journey. How have you been able to build it up? With COVID impacting everybody and sales hitting everyone's numbers. It's a tough quarter. It's a tough year been for everybody. How have you been able to scale it up so easy?
Yeah, it's been very difficult, remotely working, not being able to come into office, not having our team in office has been really challenging. But fortunately, that's pushed us to accelerate our digital initiatives. And of course, we were selling on Amazon and Flipkart for the last 2 or 3 years. But it really pushed us, COVID really pushed us to start our own website so that we were less dependent even on third party marketplaces because storage was dependent on them, delivery was dependent on them. There were various challenges. So we only a few months ago we launched our own website called houseofmangalam.com. It actually took us almost 3 to 4 months of planning to even get the website started, and we're still fine tuning it. Through House of Mangalam, we're able to deliver across India all our products, and yeah, just trying to fine tune it and grow it as much as possible.
On that note, when I visited your website, last week, I was like, this is the best thing to see because no one has camphor cones. No one has camphor in cone shape actually. Having the sampling myself, the rose, the original, and the sandalwood was like the most amazing thing. The sandalwood actually works really well. It's a pretty awesome thing that you guys have done. So actually, a few and candid questions that I want to ask is, how did you, with so many of D2C brands coming up and scaling up like Soul Store, then the apparels, then Brew House Iced Tea has been both into retail and D2C market now, and the other brands also coming in D2C space. How do you think and how do you vision this D2C space in the startup ecosystem growing and exploding now?
I think D2C enables brands to compete on a level playing field with established brands. If you try and get into a modern trade store, you're initially paying very heavy listing fee, you're paying shelf storage fee, and various kinds of headings which you cannot even imagine. With general trade, you need a very strong distribution network of super stockists, distributors, salesmen, etc.
True.
So online is the only space where you can share, uh, space along with very established brands. You can compete whether it's on advertising or through influencers. It's a level playing field. So I do feel that D2C brands are going to grow and compete very strongly with established brands. Uh, that's my take.
Nice. And Akshay, while we are there on this call, I would want to ask some, questions to unbox you as a founder for the brand and for the people who want to watch this video. So, what's your zodiac sign?
Capricorn.
Nice. And your favorite holiday memory, destination?
I was fortunate actually to visit Maldives a few months ago, just after the first wave. So I have
Nice.
very fond memories of going to Maldives. It was after a really long and difficult period of 6 months, so that has very close memories to my heart.
Work from home or work from office?
Work from office.
Married or single?
Recently married.
Android or iOS?
iOS.
Razorpay or anything else?
Razorpay.
Shopify or Magento?
Shopify for the win.
Insta or Facebook? Which is your highest spend?
Insta.
Okay. And your favorite say, shirt brand?
Favorite?
Shirt brand. A brand of shirt that you
Uh,
would.
my favorite brand of t-shirt will be this brand called G2000.
Nice. Jeans.
Don't wear.
You don't wear jeans? Cool. Favorite
No.
shoes? Oxford or Booges? Sneakers.
Oxford.
Oxford.
A6.
A6. Nice. A6 guys happen to be close friends again. Gotham and G.
Okay.
Yeah. They're,
Okay,
they're,
great.
they're again good friends.
Yeah.
Your favorite watch?
I actually don't wear a watch. I have an Apple Watch, but I forget to charge it too frequently.
Nice. Your favorite SKUs from your own catalog?
Campior Cone Original.
Nice, the blue one.
Yeah.
See, I've been able to remember that part. Nice. It's actually good. It's actually good. Your favorite guilt food, midnight snacking.
Cheese corn balls.
Nice. Your favorite web series on Amazon Prime.
Presently, it's The Family Man.
Nice. Manoj Bajpayee rocks. Gulab jamun or ice creams.
Ice creams.
Which flavor?
Butterscotch.
Cool. And what's the school? Alma mater?
I studied at Cathedral and John Connon School in Mumbai, and I studied at HR College. I've studied at Warwick University. So yeah.
Last thing that you do before you sleep?
I generally fall asleep watching something on an OTT platform. So yeah,
Nice. And the first thing that you do when you get up?
I read the newspaper.
Nice. And what's your fitness break mantra? How do you remain fit mentally and physically?
I work out 3 or 4 times a week, and I play squash. I'm just waiting for the clubs to open up so I can start playing squash again.
Nice. Nice. Thank you, Akshit. It was good to unbox you and the brand both together. And I have a clear understanding of how you've been envisaging it and taking it forward. And let's just keep hoping that we continue to have these conversations regularly and keep doing something about these.
Yes, certainly.
Happy
Thank
to
you
host
so much, Anurag,
whenever
for
you
your
come
time.
to Delhi.
Yes, certainly. I definitely will hit you up. Likewise for you in Mumbai.